In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make icons bigger in Inkscape. If you've ever opened Inkscape and felt like the icons or interface buttons were too small to comfortably see or click, especially on high-resolution displays or laptops, you're definitely not alone. The good news is that Inkscape actually includes built-in settings that allow you to increase the size of interface icons, so everything becomes easier to read and use. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can quickly adjust the icon size and make your workspace much more comfortable. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials, just like this one. Now, let's jump right into Inkscape and get started. First, open Inkscape on your computer and load any document. It can be a brand new document or an existing project because the settings we're about to change applied to the entire application interface. Once Inkscape is open, look toward the top of the screen where the main menu is located. From here, you want to open the Application Preferences. Depending on your setup, you can usually access this by clicking Edit and then selecting Preferences from the drop-down menu. This will open the Preferences window where Inkscape stores all of its interface and behavior settings. When the Preferences window appears, you may want to slightly resize or reposition the window so you can clearly see all the options available on the left side panel. Inside the Preferences window, you will see a list of categories that control different parts of the program. These categories allow you to customize how Inkscape behaves, how tools appear, and how the interface is displayed. Scroll through the options until you find the section related to the interface or the user interface settings. This is where Inkscape lets you control things like theme appearance, scaling, and icon size. Click on this section to reveal the settings associated with the interface. Now, look for the option that controls icon size or interface scaling. Inkscape allows you to adjust the size of the icons used in the toolbar and panels. You'll typically see size options such as small, medium, large, or sometimes a scaling percentage, depending on the version of Inkscape you are using. To make the icons bigger, simply change this setting to a larger size option. For example, if your current icons are set to small, switching them to large will immediately make the toolbar icons easier to see and interact with. After selecting a larger icon size, take a moment to observe how the interface updates. In some cases, the change may apply instantly, while in other cases, you may need to close and reopen the Preferences window or restart Inkscape for the adjustment to fully apply. If the icons still feel too small, you can experiment with additional interface scaling settings that increase the overall UI size across the program. One helpful tip is to balance icon size with screen space. Larger icons make the interface easier to see, but they also take up more room on the screen. If you work on a smaller display, you may want to choose a size that improves visibility without reducing too much workspace for your designs. Once you're happy with the icon size, simply close the Preferences window. Your new settings will remain saved, and every time you open Inkscape, the interface will use the icon size you selected. And that's all it takes to make icons bigger in Inkscape. Adjusting this small setting can make a big difference in comfort and productivity, especially if you spend a lot of time working inside the software. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials.